Welcome to the channel, everybody. This is Chad from Chapman Cars and Tech, and I have a big announcement to make. First of all, this is not a sponsored video, but I am excited to be able to test out the brand new BlackVUE DR750 2-channel LTE Dashcam. It's going to be coming out sometime in the month of August, late August or early September, and I am excited to be able to be invited to test and review this product for them. So I'm going to start out with an unboxing video, which is this video, and then I want to have a review for them, and then I want to have some more follow-up videos, basically a series about living with the product. So let's get the show on the road and let's begin the unboxing. Okay, now let's get down to business. Got the box that it came in. Okay, this is it. So this is the DR750-2CH LTE Dashcam. And let's see what it says on the box. So the DR750 2-channel LTE, smart, reliable, and connected dash cam. Full HD 1080p at 60 frames per second, just like the standard model. Full front and full HD, 1080p at 30 frames per second rear. Sony Starvis CMOS sensor, front and rear. Built-in 4G Lte Module compatible with Nano SIM. BlackVUE over the cloud service. If you've seen some of the videos, I've actually did a review about that. Real-time location, push notifications, etc. Built-in Wi-Fi, G-sensor, and GPS. Up to 260 gigabyte micro SD card supported. Adapted format-free file management system. Loop recording, intelligent parking mode. That is one of my favorite features. Impact detection, motion detection, time-lapse recording. Event file overwrite protection, enhanced night vision. I think that's what the CMOS is for. High temperature cutoff. BlackVUE app is also available on Android and iOS. BlackVUE Viewer for Windows and Mac OS. So yeah, let's see what's inside. I'm not sure if this is the packaging that they're going to use for the full production version or not. All right, come on here. All right. And here it is. This is the unit. It's definitely bigger than the one that I have, the DR900S 2-channel model. Of course, you need a bigger unit to fit in the Nano SIM card. And also, from what I've learned from online, is that there's also some features built into the case to help with cooling, because I guess cooling was an issue with for the regular casing. So that, put that away. And you have the rear camera. Got a quick start user guide, a SIM activation guide. So I guess when I go to the cell phone store, I'm going to use this to help with the activation of the camera. And I think the rest of it is just wiring and stuff. If I can get this box out. Looks like these are the cables that go to the rear camera. Cables for power. And you got some stuff here. You got a SD card. It is actually 64 gigabytes. That's pretty cool. My DR900S came with a 32 gigabyte SD card. They have a little, got a thing here, a little pry bar to get the wiring so you can hide it neatly. Got some clips. Some kind of tool, I'm not sure what this is for. A micro USB to, was it a micro SD card to USB adapter, and some stuff for mounting your camera. So that's basically it for unboxing. Stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Subscribing will also help with getting more updates on living with the Dashcam and the actual formal review that I promised for BlackVUE. So that's it for this video. We'll see you next time.